Hello everyone, I'm Miyun, and I'm delighted to meet you all again. After our gradual introductions in previous sessions, we finally arrived at the production segment. Since the products we produce are more closely related to you, I wonder if you'll find it even more intriguing. So, today's video content is all about introducing you to YOCON's freeze-dried product production line, which is the part right behind me. Freeze-drying technology is now widely used and highly developed. It involves freezing the moisture in the product through a freeze-drying process and then removing the moisture by sublimation in a low-pressure environment, achieving freeze-drying. This technology is widely applied in preserving biological agents. The entire freeze-drying process consists of 5 parts. Firstly, there's sample pretreatment, such as liquid preparation, protein collection, and so on. The second part involves placing the pre-collected and processed products into a dryer for freezing, rapidly reducing the temperature to between -40 degrees Celsius and -80 degrees Celsius, so that the water carried in the product forms ice crystals. Next comes primary drying, where a low-pressure environment promotes the sublimation of ice, removing most of the ice from the sample. Then comes secondary drying, where the sample is slightly heated in a low-pressure environment to remove residual moisture. Finally, the product is packaged and stored in a low-temperature, dry environment. As a more advanced drying and preservation technique for biological products, freeze-drying offers several advantages over conventional methods. Firstly, the freeze-drying process at low temperatures effectively preserves the activity of factors, avoiding damage caused by temperature and humidity to biological products. Secondly, freeze-drying significantly enhances the stability of biological products. Removing moisture also effectively inhibits microbial growth and chemical reactions, enabling them to be stored for extended periods without deterioration, facilitating long-term product preservation. Thirdly, due to the stable nature of freeze-dried products, transportation costs and complexities are reduced, with less stringent requirements for transport conditions. Many products require dry ice transportation, but freeze-dried products only need conventional cold chain transportation at 2-8 degrees Celsius, and some can even be transported at room temperature, saving on shipping costs. Lastly, freeze-dried products are easy to reconstitute, eliminating the need for lengthy melting processes. They dissolve quickly and easily, facilitating convenient operation. Of course, freeze-dried products have many more advantages, but I've only listed a few here. These advantages are also why YOCON chose to produce freeze-dried products. They not only help users save on transportation costs, but are also convenient to use. Currently, YOCON has produced a range of freeze-dried products and will continue to introduce more freeze-dried versions of other products. Stay tuned for updates. However, convenience does not equate to simplicity. On the contrary, the equipment and technology requirements for freeze-drying production lines are very high. Let me outline a few key points for you. For instance, the cooling rate during the freezing process affects the size and distribution of ice crystals. During primary drying, some large ice crystals may not sublimate completely, or small ice crystals may dry excessively, both of which can impact the final product quality. Moreover, the temperature and pressure during the sublimation process, as well as the humidity and air cleanliness in our entire production environment, all affect product stability. Therefore, every step in the production of freeze-dried products is crucial, and attention must be paid to every detail. YOCON's entire freeze-drying production line is housed in a B and a great production environment. As you can see, we have to wear hats and shoe covers to enter this area, and we're not allowed to enter the inner workshop, so I can only show you from the corridor. Only such stringent requirements can ensure a stable and high-quality production environment. Our freeze-drying equipment is capable of precise temperature and pressure control, and the fully automated production process ensures temperature stability throughout the entire production process. Well, seeing is believing, and it might be difficult to appreciate the scale of our entire production line through this video. In fact, we have 4 rooms dedicated to our freeze-drying production line. So, I hope you'll have the opportunity to visit our facility in Miyun someday. That's all for the introduction to our freeze-drying production line. Thank you all for watching.